Eh bien bonjour et bonsoir à tous, c'est Sins et aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour l'épisode 5 si je ne me trompe pas, 5 ou 6 6, l'épisode 6 de notre petit let's play sur The Walking Dead, la série de Telltale. Et donc la dernière fois on s'était fait attaquer, je crois.
Man, that was a hell of a ride, huh?
Oui c'est ça,
Jesus,
non on
Danny.
avait buté
What? You ain't getting
Sheldon.
soft on them, are ya? Not after what they did to your friend.
You're back. What happened?
Il s'est passé qu'on
Handle it,
a
Mama.
tué quelqu'un alors qu'on n'aurait pas dû. Alors qu'une balle dans le genou ça aurait suffi.
This isn't what Terry would have wanted.
Terry.
My husband, miss him every day.
Then screw it up for everybody then, why
Ah, ils
don't
sont
you?
encore en train de se
Calm
battre,
down,
ils sont chiants.
princess. I'll do it myself. What's going on with them?
Dunno. Squabbling looks like. Lot of tension with y'all, huh?
Entre les deux là, ouais.
Don't mind them. It's how they are. Each of them wants to be in charge, you know?
Well, it's probably just the hunger talking. We all get a little
Peut-être
testy.
bien, ouais, c'est vrai que
Look
si
at
on a
that
un bon
short.
dîner ce soir, ça pourrait peut-être arranger les
And Lee,
choses.
don't worry your head about them bandits. I'm sorry you've seen more violence than I'd have thought in your short time.
Merci.
But you all are safe here. Don't worry.
Be happy.
Think I'll go have a look around.
Don't wander too far. Dinner'll be ready
D'accord.
before you know it. And thank your friend Koch again for me. She and the kids are in the barn
Ah, cool.
with the cow. That woman is a lifesaver.
Mais j'irai la remercier, ouais. Je sais pas ce qu'elle fait de bien, mais. Eh, j'ai retrouvé ton chapeau, Clem. Voilà. Oh, mais c'est fou, je suis trop sacro avec ce jeu. Non, sans déconner, il y a plein de trucs. On dirait que c'est scripté ce que je dis, mais il y a des trucs que je me rappelle vraiment plus. Je l'ai dit et ça se passe. Je suis trop un génie. Salut, salut, bonsoir. J'ai pas parlé aux deux cons. Merde. J'aurais dû. Est-ce qu'il y a encore temps? Non, bah non, c'est trop tard. Cinématique déclenchée. Oula.
It's okay, Clementine. You can pet her.
It's okay. Go ahead.
Whoa. Katja says Mabel could have her baby tonight.
We'll see, Clementine.
What's this thing?
Daddy said it's called a salt lick.
Yeah, but don't lick it.
Oui,
It's
c'est pas grave.
gross.
Did you lick it?
I don't know.
Alors. Tiens. La casquette.
Here, Clementine.
My hat! You found it! I
Voilà.
knew you'd find it. You said you would.
Listen, did you give your hat to anyone?
No,
Did you see any strangers around the motor inn who might have taken it?
no. Why?
It's probably nothing. Just let me know if you ever see
C'est le
anything
vent.
like that.
Okay, I will. Hey,
C'est le vent
Lee,
qui l'a emmené depuis
you
le
think
motel
you'll ever have
jusqu'au
kids?
campement de la folle.
I'd like to someday. Maybe a little girl like you.
That's nice.
Oh, c'est
You're
gentil
good,
ça.
Daddy. Well, thanks for finding my hat.
You're welcome, Clem.
Do you want to pet the cow with me?
Nah, but you go on ahead.
Tac, tac, tac. Andy.
Hey there, Andy.
Yeah?
We met this woman up in the woods. She seemed to know your brother.
Yeah, he probably talks a little more than he oughta.
How's the cow?
Well, better now we got Doc on the case.
When do you think, we might eat?
Hungry, huh? Don't worry.
J'ai
Mama's
faim.
cooking up some good grub.
J'ai faim.
Thanks.
Yep.
J'ai faim. Pourquoi la musique s'arrête d'un coup comme ça? Je ressors du box et il y a un zombie derrière moi, c'est ça? Non, sans déconner, pourquoi ça s'est arrêté d'un coup? Et là, il y a quoi? Là, il y a un verrou.
You found it too, huh?
Ah,
Lee, they're hiding something behind this door.
t'es un peu parano,
I
toi,
got a
Kenny,
quick
des fois.
look. They got boxes of stuff and something metal and sharp.
Don't
Oh,
get
no, this is-
paranoid.
It's my job to be paranoid, Lee. Got my whole
pas
family
faux.
on this farm right now. How about you? What about Clem?
C'est pas gentil de dire qu'il n'y avait pas vraiment
I'll
la famille.
protect her no matter what.
I know you will. Look, that guy with Katya. What's his name?
C'est Andy.
He locked it up real tight the second we came in. I definitely
Je sais pas,
heard
c'est
a
un truc
noise
qui
back
tombe.
there, Lee.
Genre un cadavre.
My point is, we gotta know for sure. So go find a hammer or something, and I'll have this thing off in a second. You back me up in case them farmers come running.
Hang on, man. Think this through. You smashed the lock. Then what if it turns out you're wrong? You just fucked your chance to get a good meal in those kids you're trying to protect. Use your head, Kenny.
All right, Professor, what'd you have in mind?
Let me have a look at what we're dealing with first.
Hey, Lee, you know how to pick a lock, right?
No. Why would you say that?
Well, you're, you know,
Oh le
Urban?
bâtard.
Oh, you are not saying what I think you're saying.
Jesus, man, I'm from Florida. Crazy shit
Oh,
just
la
comes out of my
vache.
mouth sometimes. Sorry.
Toi, c'est tonton raciste. Après papy raciste, on a tonton raciste.
What?
See those screws? Instead of breaking the padlock, we can just take off the assembly, have a peek inside, and
Ah
then
oui, c'est pas
replace
con,
it
ça.
all again like nothing ever happened.
All right, sounds like you got a plan.
Faut juste que je trouve un
Hang
tournevis
around
du
and
coup.
keep an eye on that guy with the cow.
Andy.
Shit, I thought that was Danny. Whatever.
Can I help you boys find something?
Kenny thought he heard a noise.
He's a little jumpy, huh? Well, we're all sure glad his wife is here. She's a lifesaver. You got no idea. Hey, do me a favor. Don't fuck around with this door, okay? Just, you know, Mama gets nervous.
Andrew, I need your help again.
No problem. Right away, Doc.
Ok, c'est le moment où on trouve un tournevis. Je démonte cette porte, on regarde ce qu'il y a dedans et on se casse. Y'a pas un tournevis dans les caisses salées?
Empty.
Y'a pas de tournevis dans les caisses salées. Il me faut un tournevis ou je sais pas, un couteau, un truc. Oh, les trucs à sel là. Boîte de four. Tu veux chercher une aiguille là-dedans?
I want to play in the hay.
Non.
Just
Ouais,
stay
voilà.
close to your mom for now.
C'est pas une bonne idée de jouer dans le fond. Parce qu'après, tu vas être tout sale. Petit con. Petit canard. Il faudrait quand même que j'ai un putain de tournevis. Ça se trouve quelque part. Ouais, bah attends. Quand je suis. De l'intérieur, je croyais qu'il faisait nuit, moi.
So, how does a woman like yourself run this whole place?
Oh, I managed just fine. Plus, I had my boys to help out. I couldn't do it without.
Ah, papy raciste qui drague. Il fait bien ce qu'il veut. Hein. Bon, Lily, faut qu'on cause. Tu peux pas avancer plus vite, Lily, s'il te plaît. Faut qu'on cause parce que tu t'es encore engueulé avec Kenny et ça devient chiant en fait. On a un groupe à gérer, si vous engueulez tout le
What's
temps.
going on, Lee? Did something happen?
Kenny thinks they're hiding something. I'm not sure what exactly, but we're starting to get a feeling about this
I
place.
got a bad feeling
I don't know.
about this.
Maybe we should go have a look in that bar.
On n'est pas dans Star
Whatever
Wars.
you do, just be careful.
What were you and Kenny arguing about when I came back from the camp?
He's losing it, Lee. He comes over and starts talking about searching the barn and that these people are hiding something. The way I see it, we just need to skip the dinner and get our food to go. But I'm starting to think your friend over there has another agenda.
It's been 3 months. Your dad still treats me like I'm some kind of asshole.
Yeah, well, don't expect that to change. That's just how he is.
Does he treat you like that too?
Look, my dad can be an ass sometimes, I know that. But he's not a bad guy. He's got a lot of pain. He's been through so much. And lost pretty much everything. And it's hardened him, you know? Yeah, he's bitter and hateful, but that's all just to protect himself. And me. All he's got left in the world is me. And that goes both ways. So yeah, he's probably gonna keep treating you like crap, but that's just because he still has one thing left to care about. So don't judge him. And don't judge me for sticking by him. He's my dad.
D'accord.
And I love him.
Donc du coup, tu le soutiens à me traiter comme de la merde. C'est cool.
I'm gonna go check things out.
T'as pas un
Watch
tournevis par
yourself,
hasard?
Lee.
Salope. Alors... Je vais me démerder tout seul encore. Pour la distraction ça passe, mais j'ai pas de tournevis. Il faudrait que je trouve un tournevis avant. Ça serait bien en fait. Fait chier. Ah, dans la boîte là-bas. Là, boîte à outils. Dans la boîte à outils. Il y a peut-être un tournevis là-dedans que je vais pouvoir prendre. Pour après, je vais désactiver le générateur d'électricité. Voilà. Je vais juste appuyer sur le petit bouton là. Voilà. Tac.
Damn, this thing is the worst piece of shit. Something's always tripping the breaker.
Ça suffit pas. Ça ne suffit pas. Là, je l'ai pas vu re-rentrer, ça se trouve, il est pas re-rentré. Est-ce qu'il est re-dedans? Ouais, voilà, on est d'accord, dehors il fait nuit. Ah oui, il est encore là. Ce gros bâtard. J'ai causé avec Kenny.
Any thoughts on how to distract Andy?
I don't know, man. Just look for something outside of the barn. We need him out of here.
I picked up something I think could help with the lock.
All right, good to hear.
Qu'est-ce que... Il y a un truc à faire avec le générateur, je pense. Faire péter le disjoncteur.
I'm glad Andy knows how to fix this if something goes wrong. I'm clueless about this stuff.
Y a pas moyen de genre toucher à tous les boutons et de faire chier le monde.
There you go. Ow! Damn it! Thing is moving fast. There, that should do it.
Fucking Danny, where'd he find this piece of shit? Oh, fucking thing through a belt. Damn it, Tom. Ah, son of a... Fuck!
Yes, bah tant mieux. Tu me dis tout ce que je voulais entendre là, mon petit loulou. Du coup, bah je vais aller projeter la putain de serrure. Let's go, Kenny.
Mom, Dad, dinner time! It's dinner time!
Okay, honey, let's get that.
Dad! Dad! Come on! Let's eat!
Kenny, come along, honey. Kenny, come on. Don't make the children wait.
I'll make an excuse for you. Get that thing off.
C'est parti. C'est pas bien du tout ce que je fais par contre. Faut vraiment que je les enlève une à une là. Trouve-moi une bonne excuse par contre Kenny hein, pour que je sois pas là parce que sinon c'est... Alors toi par contre laisse pas tomber les vis et ramasse-les s'il te plaît. Mais ramasse-les si tu veux les remettre après. Alors? Oh. Oh merde.
Boy, didn't you hear the bell? Dinner time.
What the hell you got in that back room?
Look, we have food here, but Danny and I still gotta do a lot of hunting to keep everyone fed. When we catch something in the woods, we skin it and dress it back there. Mama doesn't like us to make a mess in the house, so you see, nothing to worry about.
Je te fais pas confiance. Il y a trop de sang pour que ce soit juste enlever de la peau. Et puis il y a trop de... Je sais pas, tu utilises pas une putain de scie sauteuse pour enlever de la peau. Il y a un moment, faut pas déconner non plus. Tu nous caches quelque chose, non? Des biscuits, waouh.
Excuse the mess. We had to block the back door after Walker got upstairs. Don't worry. That was a while ago and ain't been back inside since.
Everybody sit down. I'll go get the meal.
C'était il y a si longtemps que ça. Mais y a pas genre de risque qu'on ait une autre attaque, hein. Parce que ça ferait chier un peu.
Oh, this is a delight.
I could eat a horse.
Where's Mark?
Now don't you worry about him. I've already brought some food up. You just let him rest.
Mind if I wash my hands first?
Bathroom's right outside in the hall. And be sure to get under your nails. You've been mucking around in the dirt all day.
Il faut clairement que je ressorte... Ah, ça devait être le mari de Brenda.
Gauze pads. I could use a shave. Some kind of lotion.
Et je peux pas me laver les mains du coup. C'est pas ça qu'il faut que je fasse. Viens, je vais voir ce qui se passe à l'étage. Ah, je vais voir Marc. Ouais, je suis con. Je sais même pas... Bah, je pense que tu peux y aller. Il faut le bordel dans la cuisine, non? Avec tous les bruits de couverts et tous les bruits de chamaillement des enfants et tout ça, ça devrait couvrir quand même, non? Enfin, je sais pas, je suis quand même un expert de la fuite des dîners de famille, donc bon.
Where the hell is Mark? Thought Brenda said he was up here resting.
Du sang.
Is that blood?
Aïe aïe aïe. Il est mort.
Farm books, cookbooks. Nothing out of the ordinary here.
Porte du placard. Il y a le fil qui va jusque dedans, il y a quoi? Une porte cachée, il y a quelque chose, non? Ça alimente quoi?
What the hell?
Ouh oui, voilà, c'est ce que je disais, il y a un truc derrière. Morphine, boîte à bougies, matos médical, serviette, poubelle. Ok, donc je dois pouvoir y accéder de la chambre là-bas. Ouais, bah, une gros sombre en dessous en plus. Oh là 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 là. Le lit qui déplace des meubles en un rien de temps, alors qu'il a galéré pour déplacer un bureau avec Clémentine au drugstore. Alors, y'a quoi? Ah merde. Zombie. Ah non, même pas zombie.
Mark, what the hell happened?
Brothers.
What the hell happened to your legs, man?
Don't eat dinner.
C'est de la bouffe humaine. C'est de la bouffe humaine.
Clementine.
C'est de la bouffe humaine. C'est bien ce que je me rappelais. Je me rappelais bien. Non, Clem.
Don't eat that!
Lee, Jesus, man.
Yeah.
Did you find something? Oh, sit your ass down, Lee. This lady has made you a meal.
Yeah, Lee, what's gotten into you?
He just had a start.
You're eating human meat!
That's crazy.
What the hell?
Damn.
Scaring the kids, Lee.
Lee, what the hell is wrong with you?
Don't indulge him, Lily. There's always something with this guy.
Mom, I was eating that.
What is going on?
Go upstairs and look. You'll find a guy with both of his legs hacked off. This is a dairy, not a ranch. Think about it.
Ah.
It's true.
Everything could have turned out.
Ouais, mais bon, j'ai pas envie de bouffer mon pote, moi, par
He would
contre.
have died anyway.
Oh la
We gotta
vache.
think about living.
Settle down, honey. Growing up in rural Georgia, you're taught not to waste. It's how I was raised and how I raised my boys. Now, you got monsters roaming around that do nothing but eat people. And for what? To continue to rot till they eat some more. We think we can put that meat to better use.
You're all sick. Sick in the head.
Lee, that's not a very nice thing to
Tu
imply.
manges des gens quand même.
Andy
Il y a
is
un
right.
problème,
We
le
go after
problème, il vient
folks
pas de
who
moi,
are
là,
gonna
pour le coup.
die anyways, one way or another.
Like y'all.
Clementine, run!
Run. Nobody's going anywhere.
We got lots of use for
Ouais,
y'all
venez
right
goûter, vous me
here.
mangez.
What the fucking what?
Put your guns down! We're walking out of here!
my
Mommy,
family.
I don't want to die. Mommy, what did I eat?
Everyone, everything will be okay.
Lee? Lee?
Ah non, tu laisses Clémentine, toi par contre.
I'll kill you!
Je vais vous défoncer vos races. Ah. Marc.
Come on!
Oh la vache. Ah la vache, c'est la merde.
Open the
Ah
goddamn
merde.
door! You can't keep us in here! Open
Qui c'est
up.
qui crache ses
I will
morts là?
tear you fuckers apart with my bare
C'est
hands.
Lily.
Gotta find another way out of here.
Oh bah Lily,
You
Bah, dis
sick
donc.
fucking bastard!
t'es enceinte?
Open this door, god damn it! I will knock the goddamn
Dad,
door down!
stop.
It was a person. They tried to
Eh
make
oui.
us eat a person.
But you didn't do it.
No.
The rest of us did, god damn it! If you hadn't dragged your feet!
Come on, Dad.
Donc Papy
Now's
Raciste
not
mange
the
des gens.
time.
Super.
You okay, Clementine? They didn't hurt you, did they?
Open up! Lee, those psychos have my family, and we're stuck in a damn meat locker. We gotta get the fuck out of here! This goddamn thumbsucker was the one who brought us here! Will you all just shut the fuck up?
I'm scared.
Don't be. It's gonna be okay. I'm gonna find us a way out of here.
You're worse than the walkers.
Dad, please.
Your
C'est pas
dad's
ça
not
que je voulais
making
dire.
things any easier for us.
Open the fucking
Dad,
door.
stop.
God damn it!
Please settle down.
Et c'est pas ça que je veux dire, moi je lui demandais si elle va bien, pourquoi elle vomit.
Open the fucking
Dad,
door.
stop.
God damn it!
Kenny, tu trouves quelque chose?
They got Katya and Duck, Lee. Those fuckers have my family.
Ah merde, ils ont gardé
We're gonna
Katie
get out of here and
et
find
Connor.
There's violence on the way. Let us out now if you want to live.
That is not gonna help.
Viande, ouais, bah, viande
Don't wanna
humaine,
know what
sûr.
kind.
They're not gonna open the door.
Shelves are pretty sturdy. We could climb up. But there's no way out through the ceiling.
Dad, this isn't helping.
Could there be a hole behind these pallets?
Peut-être. Regarde.
No such luck.
I'll break that
Heard
damn
that.
door down.
Et
Dad,
voilà.
you can't get easy. Dad?
Oh merde. Oh merde. Non.
No.
Alors,
Dad, come
papier
on.
raciste, je n'irai
Dad.
pas aller jusqu'à ce que je
God, he stopped breathing.
jusqu'à ce
I
que
think
je
he's had a
souhaite
heart
sa
attack.
mort. Mais s'il
He's
crève,
not dead.
il revient.
Somebody help.
Et là, on est dans la merde.
If he's dead,
He's not dead.
it has to happen, Lee.
Ah, fais chier.
You saw that poor bastard at the motel? How fast he turned?
What are you saying?
Lily, I'm sorry. I truly,
Ouais,
truly
mais là,
am. But in a few minutes, we're gonna be stuck in a locked room with a 6'4", 300-pound, seriously pissed off dead guy.
Fuck you. We can bring him back. Lee!
Morning, lady.
je sais pas quoi
Right
faire.
now, we have to keep him from coming back.
No! God damn it, Kenny. He's not dead.
We can't kill him if he's not dead, Kenny.
Remember how hard it was for you to get that monster off of Katya? And Larry's twice his size. It's him or us.
Look, Kenny, back at the drugstore when we all thought Duck was bitten, I gave him the benefit of the doubt. Maybe we should do the same now.
That was different. Duck wasn't bitten. But come on, we know this guy's not gonna make it. Remember what Ben said. Gotta destroy the brain. Come on, Lee, I'm right about this. I know you've got my back. You always do.
God damn it, Lee. I need you. Please help me. Come on, Dad. Come on.
Lee!
Is he breathing at all?
No. No, I don't think so.
Okay, let me take over. Keep checking his pulse.
Désolé, Kenny.
Are you stupid? He's gonna turn!
One,
You're putting all of us at risk, you son of a bitch!
5.
Worthless, Lee.
5.
Merde.
Kenny, what the fuck? I'm so sorry.
Oh merde.
It had to be done.
You don't know
Oh,
that!
man.
Yes, I do, Lee. And so do you. I was counting on
Mais
you,
mec.
man.
Adieu, papier raciste.
I'm sorry. I know.
Don't you fucking touch me.
Ah merde. Non.
Are you okay?
Is it over?
Yes, for now. But we still need to find a way
C'est
out of
si
here.
lourd que ça, les blocs de sel.
I
Ou alors il a dû le balancer
You gotta be
vraiment
strong
vénère.
right
Personne l'a
now.
vu venir.
I need you to be strong.
Oh la
Think
vache.
about something else, something hopeful.
Like what?
Getting out of here.
We're gonna get out, right?
J'ai pas trouvé de sortie encore, mais on va s'en sortir quand même.
I'm working on
T'inquiète.
it.
Bah, je sais que c'était la bonne solution, hein, mais... Ramène ton cul, toi.
I don't want to hear it, Lee. You think I like doing what
Ah,
I
tu
did?
m'étonnes.
I'm the guy who couldn't bear to watch the family dog get put down. But if we want to survive this shit, we gotta have
je
the
sais bien,
balls
je sais
to do
bien.
the hard thing. Or at least one of us has got to.
Look, if we're gonna survive this shit, we got to work together. How do you expect Lily to work with us after what she just saw you do?
If she wants to live, she'll work with us. If she doesn't, then the hell with her.
En vrai, personne veut l'accepter, mais c'est moi qui prends les décisions, on est d'accord? question.
I know it was necessary, but I just wish Clem didn't have to witness shit like this. I
Bah,
worry what it's
le
gonna
meilleur
do
effet
to
que tu
her.
puisses souhaiter.
He was still alive, Lee. He was still alive.
Kenny, he made a bad call. It was premature for sure, but he
Oui,
was
alors
trying
bon.
to keep us safe.
Bullshit. He cares about keeping his family safe. He doesn't give a shit about you and
He
me.
puts his family first, sure, just like Larry did.
Le truc bien éclaté, quoi, quand même.
I'm sorry,
Oh, la
Blake.
vache. Et du coup, genre, pas moyen de sortir.
There ought to be an air duct behind this unit. Maybe big enough for one of us to fit through.
Does the air conditioner come off?
I think I could take it off if I had something
J'ai
to
pas
remove
le-
the screws.
Oui, voilà.
The multi-tool.
Ah bah merde.
Of course they took it. Shit.
Maybe there's something
tes
else
cheveux.
we could use. I've got a rock.
Ah, rock won't help. But a coin might do the trick. Do you have a coin?
Merde.
It's not coming off that
Bah
way.
non. J'ai bien trouvé quelque chose. Kenny, t'as une pièce?
Listen, I need a coin or something. It's important. It could get us out of here.
Well,
Merde.
I got
Toi,
nothing.
Lily, t'as quelque chose?
Please.
Ah,
I need to be alone.
God knows you deserve time
dans
to
ta
grieve,
poche.
Ellie.
Dans la poche du vieux.
But if we're gonna get out of here,
Je sais plus quand il avait dit qu'il avait des 60 cents dans sa poche.
I think I may have found a way out of here. But I need something to remove the screws on the air conditioner. If you had something I could use as a screwdriver, a coin or something.
No.
What about him? Look, I know this is a terrible time for it, but back at the
Oui,
motor
voilà, c'est ça.
inn, Larry mentioned something about keeping coins in his pockets.
What do you want? My blessing to loot his corpse?
Your permission.
Do what you have to do.
Merci, meuf. Dans sa poche arrière droite, on va dire.
Oh boy. Any idea which pocket he keeps his change in?
Poche arrière.
He still carried his wallet.
Pas là.
A ring.
My mother's.
Don't worry, I'm not taking it.
Oh merde.
Here we go.
Shit.
2 quarters.
Here we go again.
And a dime.
Oh, le mytho, il avait dit 60 cents quand même. Hein.
Just gotta remove these
Ou alors je dis de la
screws
merde,
and
mais
get
je me
this
souviens, il
moving.
avait dit 60 cents. Oui, merde. Je suis con.
It's not coming off that way.
Le pouvoir de l'argent.
Hurry the fuck up, Lee.
Eh oh,
we don't have all day
tu
here.
calmes déjà. Je fais en sorte que les choses se passent bien. Alors Kenny, calme-toi s'il te plaît. On est tous sur les nerfs. Alors ta gueule.
There's
C'est
our
parti.
way out, Lee.
Clementine can fit through.
Looks like it'll probably lead right into that back room.
Écoute-moi, Clémentine.
You think you can do this?
I'm scared.
It's okay to be scared.
We need you, Clementine.
Okay.
You're gonna be fine.
What do I do when I get out?
See if you can get to the other side of that door and open it.
Allez Clem. On a tous confiance en toi, on sait que tu peux le faire. Ouais. Ça va, t'es pas morte? Eh oh. Eh oh. Et c'est ainsi que Clémentine se fut mangée. Ah, même pas. GG, Clem.
Are you okay? Did anyone see you?
No, but there's
Eh bon, on va lui défoncer sa race.
Where the hell are you going?
What do you care?
Kenny! Lily, I'm sorry.
Il faut qu'on s'en aille.
Gotta go.
I know. I just need a
Ça
minute
fait
to
combien de
say
temps que tu... Hein? Waouh, la phrase qui veut pas sortir. Ça fait combien de temps que tu lui dis au revoir là?
Yeah, this is good. Shit, he's gonna get us all killed. Stay here. Take care of Lily, okay?
Merci.
I will.
Et... point de sauvegarde? Oui, c'est là-dessus qu'on va s'arrêter les petits copains pour aujourd'hui. C'était un nouvel épisode, c'était un bon épisode chez les mangeurs de chair humaine. Dans la tanière des mangeurs de chair humaine. Et du coup, on se retrouve pour la suite prochainement. Je sais toujours pas quand, hein. On se retrouvera bientôt. Et sur ce, je vous souhaite une bonne fin de soirée et bonne nuit à tous. Dormez bien les enfants.